In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. A profit and loss, sometimes called a P&L or income statement, shows what your business earned and what it spent over a selected period, ending with your net profit. It's one of the most important reports for understanding performance and preparing for decisions, taxes, or sharing results with stakeholders. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your Chrome browser. Chrome is recommended because it's reliable with QuickBooks and helps pages load smoothly. Sign in as you normally do and make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Reports. This takes you to the Report Center, where you can quickly find the standard financial reports your business needs. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar designed to help you locate reports fast. In that search bar, type Profit and Loss or P&L statement. From the results, select the standard Profit and Loss report. This is the version most people use for a straightforward summary of income and expenses across your chosen time frame. Next, choose your date range. Use the date picker near the top of the report to select a preset like this month, last month, or year to date, or enter custom start and end dates if you're preparing a specific period like a quarter or a project timeline. Picking the correct range ensures your totals match the period you want to analyze or share. Generate the report so it reflects your selected dates. Depending on your setup, it may update automatically, or you might see a button to run or refresh it. Now review the results. Income categories appear toward the top, showing where your revenue came from. Expenses are listed below, grouped by category. At the bottom, you'll find net income, which indicates profit or loss for the period. As you scan, look for unexpected spikes, missing amounts you expected to see, or any uncategorized lines that might need cleanup later. Make a quick note of items to revisit so your books stay accurate. If you need to share or archive the report, export or print it. Use the export option to download a PDF for easy sharing or an Excel file if you plan to analyze or combine it with other data. To get a paper copy or a printer-friendly file, choose Print, check the preview, and adjust scaling if needed so everything fits neatly on the page. Save your file with a clear name that includes the date range. That's it. Quick, clear, and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and keep this process handy for your monthly or quarterly reviews.